Picture this. A blazing sun beats down on the battlefield of your skin, UV rays firing relentless volleys of damage into the cells below. In one corner, the mischievous villains, precancerous lesions, DNA damage, and rogue squamous cell carcinomas, plot to take over. In the other corner stands an unexpected hero, nicotinamide, the non-flushing form of vitamin B3, quietly donning its armor and preparing to fight back. A recent study from the Veterans Affairs turns this ordinary-looking vitamin into a full-blown action star, revealing that it can significantly reduce the risk of new skin cancers, especially for those who have already faced these cellular foes. Among the 33,000 U.S. veterans whose records were analyzed, nicotinamide intake was associated with a 14% drop in the incidence of new skin cancers, and for those who had previously battled skin malignancies, the risk plummeted by as much as 54%, with squamous cell carcinomas seeing reductions exceeding 20%. It's as if nicotinamide swoops in just in time to defuse the most dangerous attacks before they can escalate. Nicotinamide's secret weapon lies in its ability to fuel the skin's own repair systems. Acting as a precursor to NAD, it helps cells generate the energy they need to repair UV-induced DNA damage and resist immune suppression caused by sun exposure. Imagine tiny repair squads racing through your skin, mending broken DNA, reinforcing cell walls, and shoring up defenses against each incoming volley of sunlight. The villains may strike fast and hard, but nicotinamide is there to counterattack, patching up weak spots, neutralizing threats, and giving the skin the stamina to withstand repeated encounters. It's a high-stakes duel, but for anyone taking nicotinamide, the odds are suddenly a little more in their favor. The study itself reads like a meticulously planned strategy session. Researchers analyzed data from 33,822 veterans, 12,287 of whom had taken nicotinamide for more than 30 days. Using rigorous statistical techniques like propensity score matching, the team accounted for differences in age, sex, prior skin cancer history, and other risk factors. The result is a clear demonstration that nicotinamide's effects are not coincidental. They are deliberate, targeted, and measurable. One particularly thrilling finding was that the supplement had the most dramatic effect when taken consistently after an initial skin cancer event. In cinematic terms, it's the hero arriving just after the first battle, armed with better tools, ready to prevent the villain from regrouping and striking again. Timing and consistency became the key to victory in this epic war on the cellular battlefield. Of course, nicotinamide is not a replacement for sunscreen, protective clothing, or routine dermatological checkups. Those are like the walls, shields, and reinforcements every good hero still needs. But nicotinamide is a reliable, well-tolerated, and cost-effective ally, working behind the scenes to support the skin's own defenses. Beyond lowering the risk of new cancers, it helps maintain overall skin resilience, accelerating recovery from minor sunburns, reducing inflammation, and keeping the skin's barrier function strong. It's the difference between scrambling after each attack and moving forward with confidence, knowing that a vigilant defender is always on duty. The broader implications are equally inspiring. Nicotinamide offers a practical, science-backed strategy to empower the skin, particularly for those at higher risk due to past cancers or heavy sun exposure. By fortifying the skin's internal defense mechanisms, it transforms what could be a relentless onslaught from UV radiation into a manageable, winnable series of encounters. For anyone facing the daily battles of sun exposure, nicotinamide is the calm, competent hero quietly tipping the scales in favor of victory. The study may have started as a routine review of veteran health records, but it uncovered a dramatic narrative, a small, accessible vitamin turning the tide in an epic showdown, helping skin cells withstand assaults, recover faster, and emerge victorious. In the ongoing saga of skin health, nicotinamide has earned its place on the front lines, a dependable hero ready to take on the villains of UV damage and skin cancer, one cell at a time.